Very good morning students. In last videos I taught you up to unit 2nd and today I am going to explain you unit 3rd. Diligence. What is the means of diligence? Diligence means lagan, that sometime you are doing something or you want to get your dream, or you want to complete your dream and you want to get your goal. At that time you have to be passion and you have to keep passion to do that. This is called diligence. So diligence means लगन. जब भी आप किसी काम को करते हैं लगन से और अपने जो ड्रीम है उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए, इवन अपने लाइफ में कुछ पाने के लिए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लगन. So dear students, in this unit the first section is rise of missile women. Here we are talking about missile women. So who is you have already read about missile man. Who was the missile man? Then when I will ask you that who was the missile man, then you definitely will tell the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So dear students, today we are talking about a missile woman whose name is Tessie Thomas. In this story I am telling you about her and her life, how she has faced many problems in her life to get her goal, and how she became the best missile woman in the world, and how she had got her glory in this world. So dear students, let's start the chapter. Read how the missile woman has reached the pinnacle of glory and has set an example for you and for others to follow. Dear students, here it is said that how that woman has faced many problems and has reached on the top, and she has spread her glory everywhere and has set an example in front of us so that we can learn and we can inspire from her, and we can get our goal and we can get our success in our life. She has come to be known as Agni Putri. Dear students, we are talking about Tessie Thomas, and she was known as Agni Putri also. Agni Putri means the daughter of fire. Some call her the missile woman. Her real name is Tessie Thomas. Dear students, you know well कि उनका नाम क्या था, टेसी थॉमस था, बट लोग उन्हें क्या कहते थे, मिसाइल वुमन कहते थे. And she had the privilege of working with missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam before he became the president of India. Dear students, now we are talking about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not president, and before she met with Tessie Thomas, and Tessie Thomas worked with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was also known as missile man, and he also made missiles. Tessie is now head of the country's key missile project. Dear students, as you know that in our country missiles are made, and nowadays women are also making missiles. They also participate in that work. Before time it was said that only that the work which is done by a boy or a male a woman cannot do, but now it is said that whatever the boy can do, everything the woman or a girl can do. So here it is also said that when the missile project was done, it was not done only by a male person, but it was done with the help of a female whose name was Tessie Thomas. She holds a prestigious post of project director of the upgraded version of the 2000 km nuclear capable Agni 2 missile. When Agni 2 missile was going on in work, then the upgradation work was done by Tessie Thomas. She was director of that missile. One of the 200 women scientists and technicians working with the Defense Research Development Organization, which is known as DRDO. Here it is said that in 2000 women who were scientists, and in that she was one of them. She has been associated with the Agni projects for more than 20 years, and she was involved in the Agni project, and she has spent 20 years of her life for making of the missiles. Agni projects for more than 20 years. Earlier, she was the Associate Project Director of the 3000 km range Agni 3rd missile project. Dear student, as you all know that when we clear one stage, then we have become very trustful, or we have become faith on ourselves. So it also happened with Tessie Thomas when she completed her project of Agni first. Then she started working with the Agni second, and then last she also worked with the Agni 3 missile, and whose range was 3000 km. Tessie, who was honored along with the entire team of Agni 3rd by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, went on record saying, here it is said that when the Dr. Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister, then she was honored, and she was awarded by Dr. Manmohan Singh for her missile. It is still considered a confidential project, but will be called Agni 2A2. So dear students, it is when she was awarded by Dr. Manmohan Singh, then she was working with Agni 2, and it was a confidential project. It was as a secret. Tessie, who did the post analysis of the failure of the first Agni 3rd missile, reportedly said there were some shortcomings in the test of the missile which were overcome for a smooth, flawless test flight. Here, she was working with the Agni 3, then she has some shortcomings because she has to test with. As you know all dear students कि जो भी मिसाइल होती हैं या कोई भी मिसाइल का परीक्षण किया जाता है, उसका टेस्ट किया जाता है, तो वो टेस्ट इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि जो भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम्स हो वो हमें पहले ही पता चल जाए और उस प्रॉब्लम का कोई सॉल्यूशन निकाल दिया जाए. दैट्स वाई शी आल्सो डिड इट, बट शी हैज़ गॉट सम प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट मिसाइल. Which details of the project have been kept a closely guarded secret, but the problems which came in front of her, she kept it as a secret. She did not share it with anyone. She work on developing the 700 km Agni ballistic missile system, which is also known as ABSM. Dear student, it is said here that when she was working with the Agni 3 missile, she also developed a next missile who was ABSM. With Tessie heading the country's key missile project, women have broken into most of the citadel, so far considered to be sole male domains. Here, dear students, citadel means important places. Dear students, the women also keep important place in every field. As I told you in last paragraph that nothing is impossible. So that's why here we should not say that a male can do everything. Here it is said that a woman can do everything also. Whatever the boy can do, a girl can do the same. And here it is also said that if a male can make a missile, then women can also make, and it is proved by Tessie Thomas. So with the heading of this, she has got the project country's key. She has the country's key for making the project, for handling the project of the missiles. and she so far considered to be the sole male domains. That means that she has not worked with work alone, but she has got the team, and with that team she has got success. They have risen to the rank of lieutenant general and air marshal in the armed forces, and those who were working with her, they were also they have become a lieutenant general and the air marshal. She hates if someone calls her gender into question at the workplace. Whenever she has gone for getting a work or for employment, then when she was asked that what is her gender, then she became very angry, because she thinks that we should not ask any gender with someone, because the gender do not differentiate, and everyone is same here. Here I am a scientist and not a woman, she asserts. At the time when someone asks her gender, then she admits that she is a missile woman. She is a scientist, but she is not a woman, not only a woman. It has been a long journey for Tessie, spanning 2 decades to get to the top slot. Dear students, here in this line it is said that she has suffered from many problems, but she has faced many problems in her life, but she did not lose her patience. She go ahead and ahead. She solved the problems and got her goal, and she has reached on the top. And it is also said that she has spent her 20 years, and she has also spent the life of 20 years. I have been associated with the Agni project for the last 20 years, and she also told that she has worked up to 20 years for making the missiles, and have been associated project director for Agni. She has become a director of Agni missile, because she has worked with the Agni first, Agni second, and Agni third. Now the time has come to head a project for an Agni missile with advanced technology, said by Hyderabad-based guided missile scientists. Here the Hyderabad-based guided missile scientist said that this work was very good, and she has done the perfect work in her missile making work. While there are more than 95 women scientists in the DRDO at present, Thomas is the first to become the project director of a crucial missile system. Dear students, there were not only one woman in the missile project, but there were 95 women who were working with Tessie Thomas for making missiles. And in DRDO, which was a group in which the scientists worked, Thomas is the first to become a project director, and in that woman, in the 95 women, only Tessie Thomas was one who was the director of missile project. Nearly 20 women scientists are currently involved in the Agni project itself, and in this project, 20 women scientists were involved. Her fascination for the missiles started while she was in school at her home state, Kerala. Dear students, we have already read about many people who have some dreams in their life, and their dreams were from their childhood, and they complete it whenever they become young. So dear students, here it is also said about Tessie Thomas that she had also a dream, and her dream was from when she was a child, and from her school life she started to see a dream that she has to become a missile woman. During her school days, she used to hear about the rocket station at Thiruvananthapuram and would also be fascinated by the Apollo moon mission. Dear student, when she was in school, then she listened about the she listened about the Apollo moon mission, and when she listened about that, she became fascinated towards the missiles, and her interest was growing day by day for knowing and for knowing and for getting the information about scientists and for doing the researching. I guess that in my inner mind I always wanted to be involved with rockets and missiles, she said. She when it was asked about her dream, then she told that it was her dream, and she started to do when she was in school, and it was her fascinated that it was her dream, she has to do that, and it was her interest that she wants to become a missile woman, and that dream when she completed, then definitely she became a missile woman. Tessie later joined the Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technologies to get a master degree in guided missile system. Dear students, when you want to become something in any field, then you have to get a degree and you have to become the graduate in that field, or after that you have to become a master of that field. Dear students, here Tessie Thomas also went to a Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, and she has got a master degree in missile system. She was initiated into a Agni project by India's original missile man, former President APJ Abdul Kalam, after she joined the DRDO in 1988 as one of the 5 women scientists in the research organization. Dear student, when she started with the Agni project, then she worked with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. At that time in 1988, and at that time only 5 women were there who were scientists in that project of Agni missile, and she also worked with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in that project, and they all worked with that project. Post-graduation in guided missile technology gave her some insight in guidance technology, and the moment she joined Dr. Kalam's team, he put her in a guided missile system of the Agni program. When the Agni program was held, then she was guided by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and she also inspired by him. When she did her post-graduation, then she also worked with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Tessie's husband, who also holds a master degree in guided missile technology, is a captain in the Indian Navy. Dear students, here we are talking about the husband of Tessie, and his husband was also a guided missile, guided missile technology person, and he has got that master degree, but after that he has become the captain in Indian Navy. Their only son, who has completed his class 12th examination, is named Tejas. Here we are talking about the son of the Tessie Thomas, and he passed class 12th examination, and his name was Tejas. As a captain, a name he shares with India's light combat aircraft. Dear students, you have already listened the name of an aircraft whose name was Tejas, and it was kept on the name of her son. Thomas starts her day early at 4 a.m. Her advice to young women is to take science at the school level to go on to become researcher and scientist. Dear students, Tessie Thomas always gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and she tells the woman, and she gives a message to the woman that they also have to set a goal in their life, and she should take, and every woman have to take science subject in their life, and whenever they are in a school, and go in the researching field and the science field. Dear friend, it was a story of Tessie Thomas. She also inspired us, as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam inspired us, and by this story we have learned that we should also set our goal and get success in our life. If we try, and definitely we will get our goal. And the Tessie Thomas story also inspires us to get this. Dear students, the story has finished now, and the question answer I will send you in PDF. Thank you.